Mastering the moves. The art of throwing some shapes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that dances through the English language, especially in the world of pop culture and social gatherings. We're talking about throwing some shapes. If you've ever heard someone say this and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's explore this expression together, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Throw some shapes is a phrase that might conjure up images of someone physically tossing geometrical figures around, but it's actually far from that. This expression is a slang term that means to dance in an energetic and often visually striking manner. It's all about moving your body to the music, not with any particular dance style in mind, but with enthusiasm and distinctive gestures or movements. The phrase originated in the UK during the 1980s, a vibrant era for music and dance. It reflects the playful and experimental nature of dance culture at the time. While its use peaked in popularity during this decade, it still finds its way into conversations and media, capturing the timeless joy of dancing freely. When you use "throw some shapes," you're typically referring to dancing in a casual, spontaneous context, like at a party or a concert. It's not about professional or choreographed moves, but about having fun and expressing yourself through your movements. To help you understand how to use "throw some shapes" in conversation, here are a few examples. At the party last night, everyone was throwing some shapes to the DJ's beats. Don't be shy on the dance floor. Just throw some shapes and enjoy yourself. I love how that movie scene captured the crowd throwing some shapes at the club. Understanding expressions like "throw some shapes" gives us more than just new vocabulary. It offers a glimpse into the cultural and social dynamics of a period. This phrase embodies a spirit of freedom, creativity, and joy in dance culture. It's a celebration of individuality and the communal experience of music and movement. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, "throw some shapes," and are ready to add it to your English language toolkit. Whether you're describing a scene at a dance, recounting a memorable night out, or just looking to inject some lively expressions into your conversations, this phrase is sure to add some energy and fun. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar. It's about connecting with cultures, histories, and the many ways we express joy and togetherness. Happy dancing, and see you in our next video.